Hey guys, this is Ivory with Munchy Goddess, and today I'm going to show you how to make delicious air fryer pizza roll-ups. It's a simple recipe that takes only about 5 minutes in the air fryer, and they taste amazing dipped in pizza sauce. The kids will love this one. You're going to need some flour tortillas, pepperoni, pizza sauce, olive oil, and some mozzarella string cheese. Start by covering the tortillas with a damp paper towel and warming them in the microwave for 20 seconds. Next, go ahead and preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 5 minutes. Cut the cheese sticks in half. To the tortilla, add about a tablespoon of pizza sauce, 5 pepperoni slices, and the string cheese. Then tightly roll the tortilla. Next, brush the tortillas with some olive oil, and this is going to make them really crispy. Add the pizza roll-ups to the air fryer, seam down, and air fry for about 5 minutes. Be sure to check halfway through. Once the pizza rolls are done, go ahead and remove them from the air fryer. Let them cool, and then enjoy. Thanks for watching.